Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that has been making waves in the photography community, the Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera with lens kit. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. If you're looking for a versatile and compact camera that doesn't compromise on quality, then you're in for a treat. Overview: the Canon EOS R100 boasts a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, which delivers stunning image quality and impressive detail. This camera is designed for both beginners and seasoned photographers, making it a great choice for anyone looking to step up their photography game. Design and build: one of the standout features of the R100 is its lightweight and compact design, making it incredibly easy to carry around. Whether you're shooting in a bustling city or exploring nature, this camera is perfect for on-the-go photography. The RF mount allows for seamless compatibility with a wide range of RF lenses, giving you the flexibility to expand your creative possibilities. Image quality: the image quality is nothing short of fantastic. The 24.1 MP sensor captures vibrant colors and sharp details, even in challenging lighting conditions. I was particularly impressed with the camera's low light performance. It allows you to push the limits without worrying about noise or loss of detail. Video capabilities: for video enthusiasts, the 4K video recording feature is a game changer. The footage is crisp and smooth, making it ideal for vlogging, travel videos, or any creative project. The camera also supports various frame rates, giving you more control over your video production. Lens performance: the kit includes the RF-S18-45mm F4.5-6.3 IS STM lens, which is versatile for everyday shooting, from landscapes to portraits. The RF-S55-210mm F5-7.1 IS STM lens is a fantastic addition for those who want to capture distant subjects with clarity. Both lenses provide excellent image stabilization, ensuring your shots remain steady, even when shooting handheld. User experience: Canon has made the R100 incredibly user-friendly. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate through settings, adjust focus, and review images. The camera also features various shooting modes, making it perfect for both manual and automatic shooting styles. Conclusion: in summary, the Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera with the RF-S18-45mm and RF-S55-210mm lens kit is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to capture high-quality images and videos. Its combination of portability, ease of use, and exceptional performance makes it a top contender in the mirrorless camera market. Whether you're an aspiring photographer or a seasoned pro, this camera has something to offer for everyone. So, if you're ready to take your photography to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the Canon EOS R100. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and tips, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.